Int. Luxury hotel ballroom, night. Crystal chandeliers glow above a sea of wealthy guests dressed in designer suits and gowns. Waiters glide by with champagne. At the far corner, a group of rich young men, laughing, loud, sit around a table. Among them is Ethan Wells, 35, a charming but arrogant millionaire. He checks his phone and smirks. Ethan, you know that cleaning lady who works here? Let's see if she's brave enough to attend a millionaire's gala. His friends laugh. Friend number 1. You're not serious? Ethan, grinning. Text sent. Cut to a phone buzzing in the service corridor. A gloved hand wipes sweat, then picks it up. Text. Formal dinner tonight. You're invited. Don't be late, winking face. Maya, a black woman in her early 30s, wearing a faded maid uniform, stares at the message. Confused, she looks toward the ballroom doors. Laughter echoes inside. Int. Hotel staff room, night. Maya sits on a bench, staring at the text again. A fellow cleaner, Lucy, frowns. Lucy, they're joking. Don't go. Maya, quietly. I know. Pause. But maybe I should, just to remind them I exist. Lucy shakes her head, but smiles sadly. Maya folds her uniform carefully, pulls out a small bag. Inside, a neatly kept black dress. Not fancy, but elegant. Int. Hotel ballroom, later that night. The party is in full swing. Music, laughter, wine glasses clinking. Suddenly, the ballroom doors open. Silence. Every head turns. Maya steps in that same black dress, hair neatly tied, subtle makeup, graceful poise. She doesn't look like a maid. She looks like she belongs. Ethan's smile fades slowly. Guests whisper. Friend number 2, whispering. Is that the cleaning staff? She walks with calm confidence to the main table, pauses before Ethan. Maya, you invited me. I didn't want to be rude. The group falls silent, unsure if this is a joke or a lesson. Int. Ballroom, continuous. A waiter approaches her awkwardly with a glass. Maya thanks him politely, turns to Ethan. Maya softly. You shouldn't test people for your amusement, Mr. Wells. You never know who they might turn out to be. Ethan, relax. It was just. Maya, cutting in. A joke? Smiles faintly. Humiliation never sounds funny when you're on the other side. Guests begin to murmur, some uncomfortable, some impressed. Ethan tries to regain control. Ethan, all right, I'll admit, you clean up well. Maya, steady. I always did. You just never looked close enough. Int. Ballroom, later. Music resumes faintly in the background. A well-known art dealer who overheard the conversation approaches Maya. Art dealer, you have class. You're not in service, are you? Maya, I was. But I studied design before life happened. The dealer smiles. Art dealer, I host a gallery event next week. I'd like you there, not as a guest, but as an artist. The room goes still again, whispers rise. Ethan looks speechless. Maya nods, calm and composed. Maya, thank you. I'll be there. She turns and walks away. Every eye follows her. Int. Hotel entrance, night. Maya steps out of the revolving glass door. City lights shimmer. Her reflection blends with the golden glow. Calm, powerful. A voice from behind. Ethan. Ethan, quietly. I didn't mean. Maya turns calm. You didn't think. That's the same thing. He lowers his eyes. She smiles politely, walks away into the night. Never mistake silence for weakness. Some people just wait for the right moment to speak.